In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple photos to one Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap on the plus icon next to your profile picture and select any photo from your gallery. It doesn't matter which photo you choose, as we'll change it in a moment. Now tap on the Draw tool at the top. Select a color for your background. Then press and hold on the screen to fill the entire background with that color. Next, tap on the sticker icon in the top right. Select the photo sticker. Now choose the first photo you want to add. Use 2 fingers to resize and reposition it anywhere on the screen. Tap on the sticker icon again and add another photo. Repeat the same steps to add as many photos as you want. Once you're done, tap on your story at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you can add multiple photos to one Instagram story. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.